Hola, hello everybody, welcome to another Spanish lesson. I'm on the beach today. Just felt like I needed to relax a little bit. I'll show you how my hat can help me go from one place to another. I'm going to use my magic hat to learn how to say the names of different countries. Anyway, I drink some more of my water and just relax for a moment, but I'll see you in a moment. Right, in today's lesson, we're going to travel to different countries in the world and we're going to learn the names of those different countries. Now, before I show you how my magic hat works and how we can do that, let's warm up by practicing some numbers. Make sure you repeat the numbers after me. 3, 18, 25, 39. What's this one? 46, 54, 65, 73, 84, 99, and 100. Muy bien. Right, it's almost time to go on our adventure and to travel to some different countries. But before we do that, let's learn one thing. In Spanish, to say I am, we say estoy. For example, do you remember I'm happy, estoy feliz? Or I'm sad, estoy triste? We can also use estoy, I am, to express where we are. So for example, I'm at home, estoy en casa. I'm at home, estoy en casa. Repeat that after me. Estoy en casa. Okay, listen out for this language as we travel around the world. Okay, so to make this work, I get my magic hat. I just have to go. Do you know where I am? I just bought this in a shop. Where am I? Dónde estoy? I'm in London. London in Spanish is Londres. Estoy en Londres. Muy bien. And London is in the country England, where we live. Estoy en Inglaterra. Repeat England one more time. Inglaterra. And the whole sentence, estoy en Inglaterra. Muy bien. Estoy en Inglaterra con Paddington. Hola, Paddington. That was our first place. In England. En Inglaterra. I got myself a Paddington. Inglaterra. Estoy en Inglaterra. Well done. Let's go to the next place. Whoosh. Where am I? ¿Dónde estoy? I'm in Spain. Spain in Spanish is España. Repeat after me. España. España. And now to say I'm in Spain, estoy en España. Estoy en España. Brilliant. And this is actually La Plaza Mayor in Madrid. Estoy en la Plaza Mayor. Estoy en España. Right, I'm gonna go and get some sweets. Quiero chuches. One of my favourite places, Spain, España. Spain in Spanish is España. And to say I'm in Spain, estoy en España. Next time you go, make sure you write estoy en España on your postcards. Let's go to the next place. Tengo calor. Where am I? ¿Dónde estoy? No estoy en Inglaterra. I'm not in England. No estoy en Inglaterra. I'm not in France. No estoy en Francia. What's that building behind me? No estoy en España. I'm not in Spain. Oh, I recognise that building. That's the Sydney Opera House. And to say I'm in Australia, I'd say Estoy en Australia. Repeat after me. Estoy en Australia. Well done. So that was Australia. Did you notice the sentence I used to say I'm in Australia? Estoy en Australia. Muy bien. Let's go to our next place. Where am I? ¿Dónde estoy? I'm in Italy. And Italy in Spanish is Italia. Italia. Repeat. Italia. Well done. Muy bien. And to say I'm in Italy, we say Estoy en Italia. Estoy en Italia. Tengo hambre. Quiero pizza. That was Italy. I loved the pizza in Italy. Me encanta la pizza en Italia. I love the pizza in Italy. Italy, Italia. And I said, I'm in Italy. Estoy en Italia. Well done. Let's go to the next place then. Where am I now? Do you know? I'm not in France. No estoy en Francia. I'm not in England. No estoy en Inglaterra. Maybe the flag on top of the building behind me will help you. Do you recognise that flag? It's the German flag. And that means I'm in Germany. Germany in Spanish is Alemania. Alemania. Repeat after me. Alemania. Well done. Muy bien. And to say I'm in Germany, estoy en Alemania. Estoy en Alemania. Muy bien. Oof, I had a great time in Germany, in Alemania. Alemania. Repeat after me. Alemania. And to say I'm in Germany, estoy en Alemania. Brilliant. Let's go to the next place. ¿Dónde estoy? Where am I? ¿Dónde estoy? Where am I? I'm not in Italy. No estoy en Italia. I'm not in Spain. No estoy en España. However, they do speak Spanish here. Where could I be? Estoy en Peru. I'm in Peru. Estoy en Peru. And this is La Plaza de Armas, the main square. We went really far, didn't we? We went to the other side of the world, to Peru. Peru. Estoy en Peru. Well done. Let's go to the next place. Where am I now? ¿Dónde estoy? No estoy en Inglaterra. I'm not in England. I'm not in Italy. No estoy en Italia. I'm not in Australia. No estoy en Australia. Where am I? No estoy en España. I'm in France. Francia. Francia. And now say I'm in France. Estoy en Francia. Muy bien. Maybe I'll bring one of these back. Estoy en Francia. I'm going to bring one of these back home to England, to Inglaterra. What a lovely city Paris is. I loved it in France. Francia. Francia. Repeat after me. France, Francia. Well done. And to say I'm in France, estoy en Francia. There we go. I am exhausted from all that travelling. So I think it's time to go. Mono, what are you doing with my hat? Mono? Oh, Mono, no! Where am I now? ¿Dónde estoy? Oh, Mono, help! I need to get back. Mono, help! Oh, ¿dónde estoy? Hasta luego.